This video is meant to help you to format an MLA style essay. So we're going to start looking at the hacker, and in particular the sample research paper, which I've asked you to use as a guide. There's 4 basic things to pay attention to as you format the essay. The first one, the page number. The second one, the heading. The third one, the title. And the fourth one is the body text, the paragraphs of the body paragraphs. And so we'll take each of these in turn. So beginning with page numbers. In page numbers, you see that the format for the page numbers is last name and then the number with a space and no comma. So to do that, we'll go to an essay in Google Docs and we're going to insert. First you click on insert and then page number. It gives you 4 options. The option for MLA is the top left. The right hand corner is for a cover page. The top left is for a no cover page. And now you'll see we got our page number, a click in front of it, and you can type in the last name, leave the space, and then if you want to, you can change the font, highlight the text, pick a font, and that's done. So that is how you format the page number. Okay, you can see it's going to appear on other pages exactly as is. Okay, the second one is the MLA style heading, the header. And you'll see this is the order, your name, the professor's name, the class, and then the date. That's at the top left of the essay, and there's no space between, there's no extra lines above the heading. So let's put one in. I'm just going to put the cursor right in front there, enter return a few times, and then type in the name. You'll see there's a problem here is because I had a first line indent on that line that it's not all the way out to the left hand margin. But here I can type the name, student X. Okay, return, and then type in the professor's name. We'll use me. Okay, and then this is the class. Okay, we'll say 120V14. And then the last thing is the date. And there's a specific format for the date. So let's flip back to the MLA for the example for a moment. And you see it's day, month, and then year. So we'll type it in like that. And today is the 23rd April 2020. Okay, that's typed in. And then the title. Moving along, so back to our example. So here we go. Center the title, add no extra space above or below it, and use no quotation marks or italics or any extra formatting at all. So there we go. Now you'll notice that if you center right there, you're going to have that first line indent. So we're going to close the lines above and below. Go back to your regular margin. And then we'll find our line, and there's center. So we are centered, and here we can type a title. And I'm going to type something silly, I suppose. Capitalized V. Very interesting title. There's my colon to indicate a subtitle with a very interesting subtitle. Actually, should not be capitalized. And just to check there, that is double spaced. Okay, so that is the format for the title and the heading text. You'll notice, of course, no space, no extra lines above or below the title. So the last one is the body paragraphs. And again, to go to our example, Times New Roman or other easy to use font. Of course, this is also double spaced. And there's also the initial first line indent. So let's go look at an example. We're going to take this paragraph and first we're going to highlight it, and then we're able to go up and pick our spacing. Double. So we'll go up to Format, click on Format, and choose Align and Indent, and then Indentation option. Okay, now here we'll check a first line indent. Hanging would be works cited, first line indent. And there you go. It's done. I will just do the other one. For practice, first line spacing double. And then back on up. And there you go. That is a formatted MLA style essay. Thank you.